Hey, welcome to Rubberstone. We have a great team of people here that are here to help you, to help train you, to help you make sales, to help you build a business that's viable and proven business across North America. You need to become a dealer today. We're here in Arizona on a training site. 35 years ago, I'd have never imagined that we would have the operation that's going today. It's in motion. This whole thing is really moving along, and we are enjoying some incredible growth the last few years. Today we got men from across North America, about 10 guys in training. You know, over the years we've been able to take young contractors who want to grow a business, they want something new, something exciting, and help them develop it into a full-blown business that they can sell and pass on a dynasty to others. So today is a start for many of these guys. Dealer Support Network. Here at Rubberstone, we like to take it to a different level. We make it a personal deal. That's why we're here personally training. You can never get enough support. If you're out on the job and it's not going well around here, we pride ourselves in helping you get to the place that you need to get the job done properly. Best products in the world. We work with our people and we build relations with not only our dealers but our suppliers. We are at the top of that game. We have the tools you need to be successful big time. Welcome to the Rubberstone team.